Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Basics. Again, my name is Donnell. I'm here with my son Dante. Jasmine, my daughter, she's running around in New York having some fun. But today I wanted to get into some actual math. And like I said before, I want everyone to get comfortable with math and realize that you do use math every day.
How do we use math every day?
I feel like we use math every day, even when we just go to the store. I went to the store this morning, picked up a few things for breakfast, and forgot the orange juice. Paid for some stuff with my card, and forgot the orange juice. Went back and got the orange juice and paid with the orange juice with cash. I paid $3.69 for some orange juice, and I paid with a $5 bill. And I had to check my receipts, make sure my change was right. But I did the math quick in my head. You know, what was the change? And I'm gonna show you how I did that. Okay, so this is when you have to borrow from your 5 because you got a 0 and 0 is not bigger than 9, so you need some help. So what we learned in elementary school is we borrow, okay? Turn that into a 4, took the 1, 10, borrow from the 10, make that a 9. And then we have 10 minus 9, which is 1. And then we have 9 minus 6 is 3. Do carry the decimal point down because this is cents. And 4 minus 3 is the dollar. So my change was $1.31. So that's as pretty basic as it gets. The decimal point, this is this is cents, so this would be like 100 cents, and this would be tens and 100s, tenths and 100ths with the th at the end of that. So that's 31 cents. So this is what my change was back. So that's a basic problem that we use pretty much every day.
All right, so how will we incorporate that if it was a taxable item?
Wow, pretty good question. Taxable items, when you're dealing with taxes, you're dealing with percentages usually. And when you're dealing with percentages, that's division. So before you get to your division stage, you want to make sure that you're strong and competent in your addition and subtraction and your multiplication. Get those down before you start your division. But do some quick percentages. In my head, when I think of percentages, I kind of break things down in 10. Percentages are usually when you base a whole thing off of 100, like a dollar is 100 cents, or 100% of a dollar is a dollar. So if this is $3.69 was the price of the orange juice, and it say the taxes was 10%. That's an easy number to work with. It's it's basically dividing this thing by 10. So if you're dealing with 10%, you would just move the decimal place one spot to the left, and that would give you what 10% of the item would be. I'll show you on that. So the orange juice was $3.69. 10% of $3.69 is 36.9. So it'd be that 37 cents. That little equal sign with that little squiggly, don't let that scare you. That just means I'm rounding the number up. So 10% of $3.69 is 37 cents. So then you would add that to your $3.69, and that would give you a total if taxes were 10% on the orange juice. So let's take the $3.69 and we'll add 37 cents. I put the 0 there to make sure that no one's confused. Hold on a minute. I put a 0 there. Give me 1 second. So you would add your 37 cents to your $3.69. 9 plus 7. Don't forget, that's when you carry. So this is 16. Let me take this, and then that's 6 plus 3 plus 1 that's 10. You carry the 1. Keep your decimal point in the same place. So that same orange juice with 10% tax is $4.06. So I hope you guys learned a little bit something today, because that's definitely going to help you when you're shopping and you want to know what those discounts are or that tax is. All right, man. See y'all next week.